Okay, I'm trying really hard to do this. This is my friend Carey Parks Whistles. I'm really trying to promote them for him because they have an incredible sound and they're made out of PVC piping with a beautiful plug for the mouthpiece, a silencer if you don't want to annoy people when you're practicing. And I'm going to play a tune for you that I just learned a couple weeks ago just so you can hear the sound. But also these are extremely durable. They come apart, they come in 2 or 3 piece, and you just throw them in the dishwasher. So here you go, Carey Parks Whistle. I think this is called Paddy's Green. Just one time through, but there you go. That is a beautiful tone for an inexpensive plastic whistle.